Vagias Keytop Replacement Stan's Piano Service.
Welcome to Stan's Piano Shop. Today we're going to talk about some keytops that are single piece keytops, but you install them and keep the fronts. So when you take the keytops off, the old ivories, you put on this new keytop and it's almost the same as ivory. It has grain running through it. But the problem with doing that, if you do that by hand, the fronts get wavy. So what we've done is devised a jig. If you can see this jig, you put your keytop in, push it against a block, and the block has a little groove, an indentation, and then you can lower this clamp on top of the key, and lower this clamp to get the key to set and not move anywhere, and let the glue dry. It's a wonderful thing. And it works out very, very, very well. As you can see here, with these keys, what you want to do is make sure that the notches are all together and it comes out correct. In my world, a picture is worth 1,000 words. So let's show you by pictures how we use this. This is the Vagias Keytop, and you can get them in one color, well, actually two colors. One is an ivory and one is more. And I've smoothed this key to make sure that the keytop will go in the right height as the old keytop. First we'll put a little glue. Don't need a lot, because you'll have a lot of pressure. Then apply the keytop. Smooth it around a little bit. And then put your keytop with your new keytop in the clamp, making sure that your key fits. It is up against the wood here. Clamp this down so that that key doesn't move. Got that position correctly, and this position correctly, and we can release this clamp on the keytop. Check both sides to see that you're not coming over. There. We'll let that glue dry, and then we'll do another full octave.
Stan's Piano Service. Call now to schedule piano tuning or repair. 763-438-9976. Stan'sPianoService.com.